Hello everyone, it's Christmas. Merry Christmas to everybody and Happy New Year. God bless you. Christmas is one of the most special times of the year. It's a season filled with love, happiness, and the joy of giving. As the year draws to a close, December brings the magic of Christmas to our homes and hearts. Christmas is very special to me, yes, because it's in the month of December. The month of December is exceptional for me because on the last day of the month of December, it's my birthday. So 31st December is coming and I'm very expectant for this 31st December. But before that, because it's a time together with family and friends, it's a time special where we exchange gifts and celebrate the bonds that we hold here. I'm bearing gifts coming to your houses. It is not just any gift, but it's a gift really very thought well of. And like they say, what matters is the action and the heart. And yes, my heart is grateful for all the things that people have supported with. I want to thank all the people who encourage me, phone calls, text message, comments, those who were behind the camera, behind the sound, behind the editing, on countless names, countless faces, and family and friends. And it's been an amazing journey because of their help. Those who supported some of the trips, if you want to support, there's a link below, you can support. Those who came along, those who make opportunities available, those who brought invitation. A lot of people, even the children, helped in their own way. The children by viewing, by making comments, by inspiring, have also helped. And I want to take this time to say thank you to everybody. Mesdames, Bindanyeshi, gracias, dankeschön, merci beaucoup à toute la famille autour du monde, à toute la famille partout autour du monde. Everybody, everywhere around the world, I want to say a big thank you. My friends in India, my friends in Bangladesh, my friends in America, friends in Germany, France, my amazing friends in China, and the list is countless around the world. Congo, Cameroon, Cote d'Ivoire, and I can't say all of them. And I want to say thank you. This is the time to reflect on it. And when I reflect on these things, I have only one feeling, is the feeling of gratitude. Say thank you. All right, so we are introducing our t-shirts. Yeah, clap. We have started customized t-shirts with the logo on it and with the name. You can select your country. The site is now available. It's in the description and you can place your order from everywhere around the world and we'll make sure you have it. This is a sample. It's lovely. It is really nice. And so what I have decided to do is that because we started with a sample display, anybody who will comment in the section below of this video, any video, and say Merry Christmas, we appreciate working with you, will receive one customized t-shirt. So please make sure to go to the comment section of any of the videos, especially the one that you have amazingly really enjoyed, the one that has spoken a message to you, and please comment and say Merry Christmas, we are grateful and we thank you for the working along with you. These words, and we'll make sure you receive your t-shirt and we'll send it your way. Thank you. So for my special people who supported this journey all the way to the beginning, can contact me, no comment, I have special people sharing the same coffee. A gift for all of you. I really appreciate the work, the encouragement, the comments. There's enough for everybody. They know themselves, and those who don't know themselves, you still can comment and you'll be surprised to know if there is one for you or not. There's a huge list of people who along the line have come for us, have come with us. I want to say thank you to my family and my friends. It's Christmas and the spirit of giving. I have a gift for you under the Christmas tree. So make sure to drop a comment and be surprised to come. Thank you. And so I have everyone's t-shirt here, the amazing people behind the camera, behind the stories, behind the inspiration, behind the sharing. Make sure to subscribe or help your family and your friends subscribe. There's a word for you, there's a video for you, there's an adventure for you that you love. Very soon we are coming with our products from all the way from the best part of China, and these products come with a secret that I will release in a video soon. So make sure to come into contact. You can check the videos. You have all these items. They have videos on the channel and you can get one, and it's very cheap. It has a bonus Christmas price and it's going for sale. The quantities are limited. Make sure to grab your own. Thank you.